Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the best deals video for next week, the 12th through the 10th of December at Walgreens. I think we've got some pretty good deals. I got a lot of bread and butter deals, things that are necessities that I think that are really good deals. Paired in with our spend boosters, they'll be even better. There's one deal that I am showing you at the end that maybe isn't the cheapest deal, but it's a very realistic deal that covers household needs. So there will be a Google Doc linked down below in the description box that'll have everything here in the video. There's going to be 2 scenarios at the end as well. We also have new coupons coming out on the 4th of December. We will be getting a Smart Source and a Save insert. You can order them through the link down below in the description box through BQ Savings, and you will get them pretty quickly. I usually get mine within 2 days, and you can also browse on the website to take a look at all of the coupons that are coming out. So for our first scenario, we have the soft soap hand soap. We actually had this deal a couple of weeks ago, and it's the same deal essentially. We typically get a 75-cent off digital coupon with this week that we have the soft soap. So they're buy 4, get back a $4 register reward, and they're buy 1, get 1 50% off. So you're going to buy 4 of the smaller bottles priced at $2.49 a piece. That will equal out to $7.47. Then you're going to use a 75-cent digital coupon that we typically get when we have this deal. That'll bring your total down to $6.72. You'll get back a $4 register reward, making it $2.72 for all 4 bottles, which is a fabulous deal. And next we have the bags. The bags are back, and I'm so excited. We haven't had this deal in forever, and we used to get this deal all the time that I was pretty sick of it. Then they took it away, and we haven't had it back, and now it's back. So definitely stock up. So anyways, they're buy 1, get 2 free, and it's usually they're priced at $2.79 a piece. So of course you buy the 3 of them, that will equal out to $2.79 or about 93 cents a piece. And I actually need sandwich bags, so this came at a perfect time. Next is the Palmolive. The Palmolive is buy 2, get back $3 in Walgreens cash, and they'll be priced at $2.99 a piece. Don't know if we're going to have any coupons for this or not. If we get a 50-cent or a $1 off 2 coupon, that would be wonderful. But we're just going to go with the full price at $2.99. So pick up 2 of them. That'll cost you $5.98. We'll get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making it $2.98 for 2 of them, or about $1.49 a piece. And if you do this deal by itself, you can absolutely use Walgreens cash. So next we have the Colgate Renewal. The Colgate Renewal will be on promotion for buy 2, get back a $6 register reward, and they will also be on sale for $6.99 a piece. So we have a $3 digital coupon that you'll want to clip to your account if you haven't clipped it yet. There will also be a coupon, or there's also a coupons.com reimbursement as well for $3. So what's going to happen is you would pay the $10.98, and then you'll get back a $6 register reward. Submit your receipt, you'll get back another $3, and then that will make your final cost $1.98. I did put pay $7.98, get back a $6 register reward, but you would actually have to pay $10.98 if you were doing a coupon reimbursement. So I think 99 cents for one of these is incredible because they're really expensive. So the next deal isn't a super hot deal, but if you want to use some register rewards or Walgreens cash to help lower your out-of-pocket, and this is something that you need, then this might be a pretty good deal for you. I know I'm very low on paper towels. I'm starting to shake a little bit, and I really need some. So for the Bounty or the Charmin, they're going to be on sale for $11.99, and they will be on promotion for buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. You can use 2 coupons you will use 2 coupons that are $1 off of each one of them from the December P&G. There's also a digital version of that as well. You'd pay $21.98 and get back a $4 register reward. Now, if I had $20 in Walgreens cash, I would just do that and get my $4 register reward. But if you want to If you wanted to lower the actual price of the item, not the cost that you pay out of your own pocket, but the price, you could use a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. You would still pay the $17.98, but then you would get back a $4 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash. It would make the total $12.98. I'm going to pair this in with a digital booster and a paper booster to lower the cost even more. The next deal I have for you is Burt's Bees. Their spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. I do believe that is a monthly deal because that is the promotion going on right now. So you could actually go online and see what products are included. So next week it's going to be the same thing. So I'm just going to do this deal by itself, and we're going to get one of the Honey Pot gift sets for $14.99. We'll get one of the Hive's favorites for $4.99, and then a lip balm for $3.59. That would make your total $23.57. Now, if you have a 20% off, you would be able to use it on this, but you still need to be at $20 after your 20% off coupon. So then you would pay the $23.57, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making your total $18.57. Now, if you have a spend booster, then that would lower your cost down to $13.57. And if this is something that you want to get for somebody, or you use these products yourself and this is a great deal for you, then I would definitely use some register rewards to make this a lot cheaper, and then you can still get back the Walgreens cash for another time. Next, we have the Clorox bleach. Now, this isn't on any type of promotion, but it is on sale for $6. If that's the case next week, then this is a really, really good deal. So I did this deal a few weeks ago on my channel where I got 2 bottles of bleach, and I got the No Splash bleach. So I got them. They would cost you $6. You could pay with Walgreens cash or a register reward to lower your out-of-pocket. Then submit your receipt to Swagbucks. You will get back $4 for the 2 of them. Now, I got it back automatically right away when I got the No Splash bleach. I don't know how it would work on the the splashable bleach. I guess that's what you would call it. And that would make your final total $2 for both bottles, which I think is a incredible deal. So I definitely wanted to make a mention of this. If it's not on sale next week, then you can pair it in with a couple of other things and use a 20% off coupon. So next I have a spend booster scenario for you. So I have 3 accounts. On 2 of my accounts, I got spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. The other one I didn't get anything on. So I'm going to give you a couple scenarios using that. So we're going to grab 2 of the Renewal toothpaste at $6.99 a piece. Then we're going to grab 2 bottles of bleach for $3 a piece, $6, and then get 2 bottles of Palmolive for $2.99 a piece. That will equal out to $25.96. Then you're going to use the $3 digital coupon for the Colgate, and then you would pay $22.96. You will get back $5 in Walgreens cash and $3 in Walgreens cash. You would also get back a $6 register reward. You would also submit your receipt to the coupons.com app, get back your $3, and submit your receipt to Swagbucks and get back $4 for the Clorox. That would make your total for the 6 items just $1.96, which I think is a great deal for these essentials. Now, if you didn't want to go over the $20 mark that far, if you got, say, the Colgate and the Palmolive, you would be 4 cents shy of the $20. Throw in a little caramel, and it'll be much cheaper for you. Now, this scenario is not the cheapest. I do like to bring you the cheapest I possibly can, but when I put this scenario together, I realized that these are essential items that we need. Paper towel, baggies. Those are more luxury items, but if we can get them really cheap, that's good. But then hand soap and dish soap, those are definitely a need. So this, like I said, this isn't the greatest scenario for super cheapness, but you will have to fork over a little bit of money, but you're going to get all of these items for pretty cheap, I think. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Bounty at $11.99 a piece. We're going to pick up 4 of the soft soaps for $2.49 a piece. And buy one, get one 50% off. We're going to grab 2 of the Palmolive and 3 of the snack bags. Well, that's what I'm buying. You buy whichever ones you like. That'll cost $40.22. We're going to use our 2 coupons for the Bounty and a possible 75-cent off coupon for the soft soap. That would bring your total down to $37.47, and I don't like giving you scenarios where the out-of-pocket is so high. But I think this is a good way to save on these type of items. You are getting a lot back to use on for future purchases. So if you weren't getting a lot back, I wouldn't suggest this at all. But that's why I'm saying, kind of apologizing for that. So you would pay the $37.47. You'll get back $14 in Walgreens cash for your boosters. You would also get back $3 in Walgreens cash for the Palmolive. You'll also get back a $4 register reward for the soft soap and a $4 register reward for the Bounty. That will bring your final total down to $12.47, and that will be the cost of 11 items, or $1.13 a piece. So $1.13 a piece might be not the greatest for the baggies or the soft soap, but it is a really good price for the Bounty. Or you could look at it as you buy one Bounty and you get the rest of it for free. But I do think saving on things like this isn't always going to be super cheap, but saving $20 or $25 out of what would normally cost you $40, I think is a really, really good deal. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful. I also started Shop.with, where I gave you some ideas on a stocking stuffer. There will be more related content like that for the whole month of December. So definitely stay tuned for all of that. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and a great weekend, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.